How to change your Facebook password on computer or laptop. So whether you're on a Windows computer or a MacBook or a Chromebook, I'm going to show you how you can go in and change your Facebook password. Now the first thing we need to do is go and head over to the website facebook.com and make sure you're signed in to your account. You can then click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and then select Settings and Privacy. You can then click on Settings. Over in the left hand side, select Meta Account Center. You can then click on Password and Security and then click on Change Password. You can then select your Facebook account from the list and you may get a pop-up asking you to enter the code that was sent to your registered email. Now if you don't get this code, you can always press Try Another Way at the bottom. You can then just go and press Continue. You can then enter the current password for your Facebook account and then you'll need to enter the new password and you need to go and confirm the password as well. If you've forgotten your current password, you can always click on Forgotten Your Password and you can simply go through the recovery steps. You can also check this option at the bottom to log out of your other devices, and that means when we change the password, all of our current sessions on Facebook, they'll automatically be logged out, and this can be really useful if you suspect someone else is logged into your Facebook. So once you've done all of this, you can just go and click Change Password. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.